Hi viewer, I welcome you to RIM TV. It is the station where you watch and learn. I'll be taking you through business studies from 1 lesson number 15. The topic it is production. I'm your tutor, Lucy Muthoni. Let us look at our lesson objectives. Our lesson objectives today, we are going to discuss the factors of production and their rewards. So by the end of the lesson, the learner should be able to explain the 4 factors of production and state the characteristics as the factors of production. We start by looking at the factors of production. Now, when we talk about the factors of production, these are resources that are necessary in the production process. So all those resources that are necessary in the process of production, we refer to them as factors of production. Factors of production can generally be grouped into 4. That is land, labor, capital, and entrepreneurship. So those are the 4 of them. We are going to look at each at a time. We start by the first one. That is a land. Land refers to all the natural resources like soil, minerals, rivers, lakes, and climate. So anything that is natural, soil, minerals, rivers, lakes, and also the climate. Remember, when I talk about soil, fertile soils will favor agricultural, so it will result to the production. Minerals. Presence of a mineral means to me now starting doing the mining. Rivers. Rivers are there for the provision of water, start of the dams in order for me to get the electricity. Lakes also provide the fish. Climate. Favorable production of different commodities. That is about the natural resources. Land earns reward or remuneration or income in form of loyalty or rents or even the rates. What are the features of land as a factor of production? 1. It is a basic factor of production. Without land, we cannot do anything. Without the basic, that is the natural features, natural resources, you cannot do anything. Mining will take the land. Agriculture will take the land, the soil. Production of anything, it must start from the land. Number 2, its supply is fixed. We can't add more earth surface than the one that was formed, continental crust. We can't add any more. Number 3, lacks geographical mobility. So you cannot move that piece of land, that mineral present, from one point to another. You cannot move it. It remains, that mineral where it is found, it remains to be there. That river where it is, we cannot move it to another place. Then number 4, it is the quality is not homogeneous. Quality is not homogeneous. Presence of oil in a given place, its quality is not the same with another oil that is found in another place. Also, when we talk about the quality of water, it is not the same in the rivers. Number 5, it is subject to the law of diminishing returns. Go to the next one, which is labor. Is defined as human effort applied in production. This effort can either be physical, mental, both physical and mental combined. Not all human effort is labor. For human effort to be labor, it must be aimed in production and it must be paid for. The reward for labor is wages and salaries. As you can be able to see, those are the people who are just making the roads. Labor can be provided in skilled, semi-skilled, or it can be skilled or semi-skilled characteristics. It is basic factor of production. Cannot be stored, cannot store the service, cannot be separated from the provider. Those who are doing the fishing, you cannot remove that fishing activity and bring it somewhere else to another person who is not doing teaching. You cannot offer, you cannot separate it from the teacher. Laborers sell their labor and not themselves. It is mobile, both occupation and geographical. So you can move, a teacher can be transferred from one place to another. A nurse can be transferred from one place to another. Plucking of tea, you can move from one piece of land to the another. Activity. Explain 4 factors of production. Number 2, state the characteristics of land as a factor of production. For reference, visit the KRB 2011 Invent a Secondary Business Student Book 1, 3rd edition. If at all you have any question, you can get us through the SMS. You can also get us from the YouTube. You can also get us from the Facebook. You can also Twitter us. Stay tuned. Turing TV. Thank you.